1,
2,
3, let's go!
Okay, hi guys! So ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo ang pagkuha ng sum and product of the roots. So ito ay lesson ng grade 9. So una, ang kailangan nating tandaan para makuha natin yung sum ay negative b over a. Tapos yung product naman ay C over A. So let's have an example. So first example natin, 2x squared minus x plus 6 is equal to 0. So kung titingnan pa lang natin, makukuha na natin agad yung sum and product ng roots nito. So kunin muna natin yung sum. Dahil negative b over a siya, diba, ito nasa form siya ng ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, yung quadratic equation formula natin. So, ang b natin dito ay negative 1. So, negative times negative 1 over, and our a is 2. Then, simplify. Negative times negative 1 is positive 1 over 2. So, yung sum of the root natin dito ay 1/2. Next, yung product naman. Product is equal to c over a. So, dito, ang c natin ay itong 6. So, 6 over, ang a natin ay 2. And simplify. 6 over 2 or 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So, ang sum natin dito, sum of the roots ay 1/2. And then, ang product of the roots naman natin is 3. Okay? So, another example tayo. So, we will have 3 examples. Second example natin ay 24x squared plus x minus 10 is equal to 0. So, para hindi kayo malito, ayusin na muna natin siya or lagyan lang natin sa taas nung ating quadratic formula. So, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, kunin natin yung sum. Sum is equal to negative and RB is positive 1. Diba? Automatic yon. Kapag walang number dito sa may variable na x, automatic yon na 1 ang ating coefficient. So, negative 1 over RA is this one, 24. Yan. So, ito na yung sum. And then, ang product natin, C over A. So, RC is negative 10 over 24. So, as you can see, pwede natin itong isimplify. And then, both of them can be divided or they are divisible by 2. So, 10 divided by, divide lang natin para makita nyo kung paano natin siya ni-lowest term or nakuha yung simplest form. So, negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. And 24 divided by 2 is 12. So, ito na yung simplified product of the root natin. So, we have the sum, negative 1 over 24, and then the product is negative 5 over that. Okay? So, last example. Last example natin. X minus 2 squared is equal to 9. So, para mas madali, expand na muna natin to. So, x minus 2 times x minus 2. So, x times x squared, x times negative 2, negative 2x, negative 2 times x, negative 2x, and the negative 2 times negative 2 will be positive 4. So, x squared minus 4x plus 4. Tapos, lagay na natin dito, rewrite na natin siya. X squared Tapos, lipat na natin tong positive 9 dito sa kabilang side. So, di ba kapag naglilipat tayo, mag-iiba yung sign. From positive 9, magiging negative 9 is equal to 0. And then, let us simplify dahil pwede natin tong pagsamahin. So, x squared minus 4x, then positive 4 minus 9. Unlike sign, so we will subtract. Tapos, ang kukunin nating sign ay yung mas malaking number. Yung sign ng mas malaking number, which is 9. So, ito magiging negative 5 is equal to 0. Tapos, kunin na natin yung sum and product. Sum is equal to, ito, negative 5 over a. Ay, sorry, negative b over a. And our b is this one. Negative 4. So, negative times negative 4. Basta huwag yung iiwan yung sign niya. Over, our a is 1. So, 1. So, if we will simplify it, is equal to 4 over 1 or 4. And then, let's have the product. Yan, c over a. Our c is, ang c na natin dito, yan, dito ay negative 5. Negative 5 over, ang a natin ay 1. So, is equal to, product of the root is equal to negative 5. So, ang sum natin ay 4 at ang product natin ay negative 5. Okay? So, let's have another example. Kung meron pa. Hindi, sige, okay na yun. Just comment down below kung kailangan nyo pa ng other examples in getting the sum and product of the roots. Yun lang. Bye!